Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the form of web browsers and your OPPO Pad Air. So, we're gonna start from the Opera. In this web browser, just click here and go to the private. Now tap on the red plus to add a tab. The next one is Firefox. In this welcome screen, just click here and that's it. But if you have any tab opened before, just tap on the taskbar icon, switch to Zora and add a tab. The next one is Adobe Edge. Sorry about that. Click on the three-dot icon and look for the new in private tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click here on the three-dot icon or arrow icon and choose New Incognito tab. And now your history, completed forms, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.